In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to remove your Threads account. Whether you've recently joined the Threads app by Meta, an Instagram subsidiary, and have had a change of heart, or you've simply decided it's time to bid farewell to your Threads account, this guide will walk you through the steps to achieve just that. Let's dive in. First, locate and launch the Threads app on your device. Once the app is open, identify and tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Upon tapping the profile icon, you'll notice a set of two horizontal lines positioned at the top right corner. Give these lines a gentle tap. Within this menu, scroll down until you find the Account option. Tap on it to proceed. Now, at the top of the Account section, you'll spot various options such as Take a Break and Deactivate Profile. Opting for Deactivate Profile will temporarily remove your profile and posts from Threads. But remember, this doesn't equate to a full account deletion. If you're interested in learning more about the account deletion process and data removal, tap Learn More. To proceed with deactivating your account temporarily, scroll down further to locate the steps for deactivation. The deactivation is a temporary action. To achieve complete deletion of your Threads account and all associated data, please continue reading. Since Threads operates under the umbrella of Instagram, fully removing your Threads profile and data involves deleting your entire Instagram account. While a dedicated method for Threads account deletion is in development to avoid affecting your Instagram account, the current approach necessitates Instagram account deletion. To delete your Instagram account, open the Instagram app and access your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. In the top right corner, tap the icon consisting of three horizontal lines. Navigate to Settings, then proceed to Privacy, and finally, Account Center. Within Account Center, tap on Personal Details. Look for Account Ownership and Control, then proceed to Deactivation and Deletion, followed by Instagram. Select Delete Your Account and carefully follow the ensuing steps. Throughout this process, you'll be prompted to provide your password and confirm your decisions. Do bear in mind that deleting your Instagram account will result in the simultaneous deletion of your Threads account. I trust that this tutorial has provided you with the guidance you need. Should you have any queries, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.